What is the concept of health insurance?
Why should I buy if I am able to earn 50,000 or 1 lakh per month? So out of the 50,000 or 1 lakh I earn, from what I spend, I am going to save small amount. And when out of 1 lakh I earn in a metro, if I have the provision to save even 40,000 rupees and spend 60,000, and this 40,000 over a period of 1 year, I would have saved 5 lakhs. And one health ailment will wipe away all my savings for 1 year. And how many people can save 40,000 a month in India? What if they are able to save only 10,000? It may take 4 years for them to save this 5 lakhs, and all their hard-earned savings will be wiped away by one accident or one health incident. So naturally, you cannot think that I will use my money. Insurance is the whole concept, as you ask me, it is a pooling of fund. Many people pay so that whoever is deserving can utilize this fund. If 100 people pay, 10 people may utilize the fund. So those who are paying should not think that they have wasted their money. What they have paid is utilized for someone who is in need. If they are continuously paying every year for 5 years and nothing happens to them, they have to thank God. Because insurance is a noble concept where they collect many from many and pay for few. And this is a very noble service. It's at the core, it is divine. So every one of youngsters in India should come forward and take a health insurance policy when they are normal. And the money you are spending is much less compared to what people are paying in overseas. And whatever you are paying, if you are not utilizing, it is reaching someone who is in need. So that is a noble concept of insurance.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the clear explanation. That my next few questions are also answered by you already within this. So, but as a citizen of India, as a person from Tamil Nadu, I already have my health being taken care by the government. I have health insurance provided by the state and central governments, and if I'm working somewhere, I will be given ESI also. In such case, why should I pay a private player?
Fine. That's a very nice question, interesting question. See, health insurance, everyone should have some health insurance cover. And most important is adequate health insurance cover. Somebody may have an health insurance cover for 2 lakhs or 1 lakh. And you know, COVID, the bills can come to 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 7 lakhs. So it is not adequate. So the health insurance cover should include all the family members. If there is a husband, wife, and children, all of them should be covered under one policy, which is a floater policy. So any one of them can utilize if there is a need. So it is not the insurance policy that is available. It should be adequate health insurance cover. You have to ascertain whether you have adequate health insurance cover. So this is very important. Number one. Number two, you are asking about some other schemes. You have to see if your dear ones are covered by some scheme, whatever you told. You have to see whether these are well implemented schemes. And for these schemes, is there treatment available in hospitals of good profile? So if the scheme is well implemented, and if the scheme allows treatment in hospitals of good profile, then probably you can go for it. Otherwise, you have to ask yourself, am I covered by a proper insurance scheme which will really help me? And do I have an adequate health insurance? These two things are very important.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.